Hey friends, welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching another video. If you are new to my channel, come here. Hey, my name is Christina. Nice to meet you. To my amazing supporters, thank y'all so much for all of your amazing support. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this video, and most importantly, don't forget to like and comment on this video. I appreciate y'all so much. Before we get into it, y'all, today is Wednesday. It's January 11th, 2023. And it's currently 8:43 p.m. y'all. I feel like I've literally been going non-stop all day, but I'm back on my ish. I'm back on my stuff, you know. So I had to make a video for y'all because yeah, I'm back on my stuff. So we gonna get into it. As y'all can see, this is a get ready with me video. I'm gonna insert the clip of me getting ready towards the end of this video, y'all. I literally been dressed since like 1 something, I think. Yeah, and I haven't been able to like film like the content piece, the motivation part of this video until now. So y'all getting it. But the main thing that I wanted to like talk to y'all about in this video, because it's been heavy on the brain, you know what I'm saying? And I feel like, I don't know, like when I'm talking to y'all, I'm talking to myself, and I feel like if I need this and I can utilize this, someone else can utilize it as well. And I was like, you know what, let's just talk about it. Y'all know we love to talk about it, all right? So nothing is permanent, y'all, and I'm gonna prove to y'all that nothing at all is permanent. Even life itself, like, it comes to an end. Like, if you've lived a long time, maybe you're at the end of your days and you suffered, like eventually you pass. And I'm not saying this to be disheartening. I'm just saying this to encourage y'all that might be going through something like I am. I can't tell y'all right now there's some of the stuff that I'm going through, but just know, like, I go through things just the same way y'all go through things. But one of the mindsets that keep me going with whatever it is that I'm going through is just reminding myself that every situation is temporary. Like, no matter how long it lasts, no matter how long you feel like you're going through it, no matter how much it feels like it's never going to end, it's definitely a temporary situation. Like, nothing at all is permanent. Like, every single thing comes to an end. Every single thing has its time. Every single thing has its season, and that's just for you to know that. And some people know it, but it's just like a little reminder. You know what I'm trying to say? Because, you know, like, it's hard to keep up with every single thing that you know, so sometimes you kind of have to be reminded. So this is just a little reminder for my people that's going through it, that may be facing like challenges, that may be facing struggles, that may be facing battles. Like, every single challenge eventually comes to an end. Every single obstacle, like, there's an end to it, and you might not be able to see the light at the end of the tunnel. You might not feel like it's gonna ever end, but I promise you, I promise, it's definitely going to come to an end. You just have to stay motivated. You just have to remind yourself of that constantly. I know it's easy to get caught up in the moment. It's easy to get caught up in whatever situation that you're going through. It's easy to get consumed by that situation, what you're going through. But I promise y'all, there's light at the end of the tunnel. After every single storm, there is a calm. Like, that used to be like one of my favorite motivational quotes, is like, the calm after the storm, y'all. And it's always beautiful. Just like when it rains, like, it don't rain forever, y'all. Like, eventually the sun comes back out. So whatever you're going through, if you're in a low moment in your life, a high moment will definitely come back. Like, you at the bottom, you feeling low, the only place you could go from feeling low is up, is eventually high. So better days are ahead, better days are coming, and just stay encouraged. I know it can be discouraging sometimes if you like me, like sometimes life just beats you up a little bit, but you know, you gotta fight back. You gotta stay strong. You gotta stay motivated. And during a time like of your trials, your tribulations, where you feel like you're really going through it, where a situation might feel permanent, like that's the time to just feed your mind with as much positivity as you can. Like one of my favorite motivational speakers is Eric Thomas. I listen to him a lot, and just he always like have something to say at the right time. And the beautiful thing, the powerful thing, and that's why I do videos, that's why I do content, that's why I love YouTube and decided to pursue it, because I just feel like I have a way of like combating people's negative thoughts through my words. And that's how I like view motivation. That's how I view personal development. That's how I view like self-help books. That's how I view even a therapist or talking to a friend. If you're going through something, it's like they can help to combat those negative thoughts that might be going through your mind. So that's the point of this video. If you feel like it's the end of the world, if you feel like you're in such a dark place and you're probably never going to get out, it's just a feeling. And y'all notice too, like just because you feel something, it doesn't mean that it's real. You get what I'm trying to say? Just because you feel like you're gonna be in that situation permanently, just because you feel like you're gonna be in that situation forever, you're not. I promise. Like think back, just close your eyes with me. I'm just kidding, y'all, but no, for real, close your eyes and just think back to a time where like you were in a situation and you felt like you were never going to get out of that situation. Maybe it was a bad relationship. I've been in bad relationships that I never thought I was going to make it out of, but I'm here and I got out of them. I've been in bad financial situations that I thought, oh my God, like I made bad financial decisions that got me to a certain place, and I was like, oh my God, how am I going to get out of this? Like, you know what I'm trying to say? Y'all ever took out a loan or took out some debt and y'all felt like the debt was never ending, and then something worked out and the debt end up just being taken care of? You know what I'm trying to say? So just think back to like those times. I feel like our experiences in life is to continuously teach us. So just think back to that situation that you have gotten through before and just say, if I could get through that, then I could definitely get through this. That was just a season. That was just temporary. This is also just a season. This is just temporary. And y'all know, like, this is how just life works. One of my aunties actually told me this. Like, she told me like there are some things created in life like to teach us about life. You get what I'm trying to say? Like they're physically there. They physically happen to teach us about life. And I feel like even with the seasons of life, y'all know, like if you live in America, if you live in New England or in like a cold area, y'all know like sometimes there are winters that come and those winters feel so long. They feel so drawn out. They feel like they're never ending. You're like, I'm ready for summer. I'm ready to be outside. I'm tired of being in the house or whatever. Yeah. You know, those winters, like they just seem long and just never ever ending, especially the winters where it snows so much, where you know the kids get a bunch of delays, a bunch of cancellations, and even as a parent you're like, dang, I'm sick of these kids. They need to open back up school. That snow needs to hurry up and melt outside. But the reality is eventually the snow melts, eventually the kids get to go back to school and you get to have your peace of mind again. Eventually the delays and all that crazy stuff goes away and summer comes around, spring comes around, like better seasons come around. So it's like whatever season you are at in your life, I know what season I'm at in my life, and it's not my favorite season at all, y'all. I'm ready for this season to be over. This season gotta go because I don't like it. You know what I'm trying to say? But it's those difficult seasons that build character. It's those difficult seasons that make you like stronger, make you better, make you wiser. It's those seasons where you learn from your mistakes and you grow and you develop and you become a better person. And when another season that's similar comes around, you could look back and be like, dang, I got through that season. I could definitely get through this season. You get what I'm trying to say? So just stay encouraged, y'all. Stay motivated. Remember, every single thing is temporary and no season is the same. No winter is the same. I can't tell you a winter that's been the same. I can't tell you a summer that's been the same. Yes, you have good summers, you have bad summers, but no summer is the same. And y'all can relate to this. You know what I'm trying to say? Even if you're a person that Let's say you travel to a specific location every single summer. Even when you go there every single summer, it's not the same. You create new memories, you create new experiences, everything. You get what I'm trying to say? So just know that your season will be over. I don't know when it's going to be over. I'm not God. I'm not in control, but I just know that it will definitely come to an end. And that's what I want to motivate you that's watching this video. Your season of difficulty, your season of challenges, your season of trials and tribulations will eventually come to an end, okay? You're not going to be in the house forever. You know what I'm trying to say? Yes, winter is going to come. Yes, it's going to snow outside. Yes, you're going to be stuck in the house for a little bit and you can't go outside. But eventually, even if it's 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, eventually winter will be over. Eventually the snow is going to melt. You could go back outside, have all the cookouts you want, have all the parties you want, go on all the walks you want. Just be back outside, period. You know what I'm trying to say? So whatever season you're in, you can get through it. And I hope this motivates you. I hope this inspires you. I hope this uplifts you. And like I said, when I'm talking to y'all, I'm talking to myself. Sometimes I do go back and watch my old videos and I'm like, dang girl, you did that. Yeah. No, I'm just kidding. But I do go back and watch my old videos sometimes and get motivated and inspired. So I love you that's watching this video. I love you so much. If nobody else has told you, okay, and you could get through this. I believe in you. I'm betting on you. I'm counting on you. You could definitely get through this season. I'm with you. I'm in a difficult season myself, so you're not alone. You're not by yourself. And if I can get through my seasons, y'all, I'm fighting just like y'all fighting. We could get through this together, okay? So stay motivated, feed your mind with positivity. Go to Eric Thomas's YouTube channel, go listen to his podcast, or Tony Robbins, or just look up positive, uplifting, motivational content, and just feed your mind with that until you get through this season. It's just like with winter, okay? Winter time, you know you can't go outside without a jacket on. Don't even try it because you're going to get sick, okay? Just like you can't go outside without no boots on, or you can't go outside in the wintertime in no flip-flops, no none of that. You get what I'm trying to say? So when you're in a season of difficult time, don't try to get through it by yourself. Don't try to get through it alone. Feed your mind with positivity. Let like the motivational content be the boots, the jacket, whatever you want it to be, baby. Let it be that to you. So I love you. I appreciate you. Y'all, I'm gonna roll the clip of me getting ready, and then I'm gonna show y'all my outfit, and then this video gonna be a wrap. But stay motivated, y'all. Comment below. I don't know, just show some love in the comment, and yeah, I love you.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up, finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go.
Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all my little outfit for today. Y'all, I told y'all it's winter in New England, so it's cold. So, and then that's also why I like this like ponytail, y'all, because it keeps a girl's neck warm. So I love my ponytail. Like, I love a lot of hair in the winter time because it just helps keep my head warm. But I did do my brows today. I put on mascara. I didn't do no lashes because today wasn't giving lashes, but I got this dress on right here, some thick leggings, and then I told y'all it's cold, so I had to throw on a scarf in the mix. And then I got these like little low cut boots on. I hope y'all can see them. And then I paired it with this bag right here, and again, silver hardware on the bag. It's a red bag, so I have like red floral in my dress, so I figured it would go perfect with my outfit. And yeah, just to stay warm, this was my fit, y'all. I hope y'all like it. I liked it. I felt cute. This little dress, this little razzle dazzle here, y'all. And of course I did silver, pink and silver jewelry, this silver necklace on, silver bracelet on, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm about to put y'all back right here and then close it out. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. That is all that I have for you guys. Comment below like what season in your life you feel like you're in. Winter is like a season where you're facing challenges right now. And I would say summer is like outside chill type of vibe, like you not really facing no challenges right now. Or yeah, and then spring is like you just having fun or whatever. Spring and fall is like you just having fun, you enjoying like the good times in your life. So comment below like what season in your life you feel like you're in. I'm in the winter, baby. I'm in the winter. Come drop my tears, y'all. No, I'm just kidding, but I'm in the winter season of my life right now. But I know soon it's gonna be summer and I'm gonna be back outside. Y'all, just kidding. But anyways, I appreciate y'all. I miss being on camera, actually. I miss filming and recording and stuff, but I'm back. I'm officially back. And I'm gonna be pushing myself to get back to dropping videos Sunday through Friday again. Comment below also what kind of videos y'all want to see, because that also help. I saw another influencer do this where she just ask her supporters to drop videos ideas or what more y'all want to see from me in the comment section. So that's all I got for y'all. I really appreciate y'all. Don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to drop a comment below, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that red, I think it's red, but that red subscribe button. And that's it, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great.